Hey there, y'all. Disney D Prince here today with another Barbie unboxing. Today we have the probably the only one of the Barbie rewinds that I'm gonna get because the 80s for me just did not hit right. But this doll I actually came across in my search to find an affordable Barbie Life in the Dream House Midge when I realized they both had the 71 Steffi sculpt. And this was pretty close to Midge's original look in the series and in the actual dolls. So this is a Midge for the modern age, even though she's got a bunch of crimped hair. But because Life in the Dream House Midge is like wildly overpriced, as is like all of the Life in the Dream House dolls. They are on my list of ones to get, but Raquel was number one, and I got her. So, but this is the Rewind, the '80s edition. Is a totally tube-tacular throwback collection commemorating our favorite pop culture looks from the decade. Now this one is a Christy doll that looks really cute, and she's got a lot of hair, and I like her face up. But again, these dolls aren't cheap. They retail for 40. I picked up mine for 27 from I believe Amazon during one of the sales. It's been sitting here for a hot minute already, but I was like, I'm only getting this because she's super cute in the face. Like her accessories and things are all right, but it's not like I have to have these outfits or anything. I do really like the jacket though. The jacket's super cute. But the rest of her outfit, I'm just like, take it or leave it. But again, that's my personal preference. I do like the retro computer that she comes with because it's just fun. She didn't actually show up mint to me, so I'm not keeping her in the box. Obviously, if you follow my channel, you know I'm an out of the box collector. And this doll is gonna get rebodied also. I do like that the back of her case is set up to be a like a VHS tape. But we will get her out so you guys can see her without the plastic in the way. So she looks really cute in this outfit, I think. Like, it's a cute look. It's a throwback. She's going to get restyled whenever I get a minute. I've got a ton of 2023 fashion packs that have been waiting to be reviewed. Those are going to get done. I have them sitting next to me as we speak. But that's a longer video, and I want to have as many dolls that have been rebodied that need restyling as possible. So that way I can keep all those fashion packs in rotation. So she comes with glasses. She's got a vintage computer. She's got a protractor, a pencil. Yes, protractor. And a book. And she's got a backpack that you can put things in. It does have a stylized Barbie bee on there. And she comes with this random cassette tape that is actually the bottom of her stand, which I'm realizing is actually kind of cute the way they did that. I'm not feeling where her clip is though. Usually if they include the stand, they put the clip like in the bag, but they did not include it back here, so it's got to be hidden under there, I'm guessing. So let's try to figure this out. We're going to get her open. So I'll actually get the stand out first, because it's a standout. Okay, yeah, the little piece was under there. That's fine. Good. Fine and dandy, don't you think? And again, because I don't care about how these pieces go in, I'm not worried about keeping the box in decent shape. She does come with a little brush that's very 80s and 90s. This little brush that did nothing and just like broke off clips whenever there was a tangle. If you guys remember those. I mean, they're still making them like that. But, you know. Such is life. I'm going to try to get this in one clean snip. Okay, there we go. She has got some decent shoes on that are actually kind of cute. And I think she's got bend and snap legs, which is kind of unexpected. Her little shoes came off her feet. And then we're going to try to get her out without too much issue. We've got a couple of these threads that are holding the hair. I really hate when that happens, but such is life sometimes. Oh, and there were separate ones over here on this side that I didn't see. Okay. You were cut. What are you doing? Okay, there we go. So here is our girl. She is out. She does have some articulation. If you guys can hear that, she's got those snap knees. They're okay. So she is articulated. She's just not perfect. And I am seeing something I didn't think I'd see. She has these earrings that are compatible with our Skipper's First Job doll that we just got. That is exciting. That is a couple of more earring options. And if you guys don't remember that video, I did recently post it, and that is going to be the video that has this setup in it. So her earrings follow that same pattern, which I think is really cool and a great way for Mattel to start doing earrings, because it allows for that much more customization going forward, because they'll actually dangle compared to the earrings that we have right now that just kind of wind up at like weird angles every once in a while. She does have her bangs gelled, which is okay because I wanted a midge with bangs. But let's see what she looks like without the jacket, which the jacket is like the one thing I want to keep on her because like it's super cute. It's got that 50s vintage vibe that I'm much more in tune with. But this is just the standard articulated arms that we'd get with our Barbie extras and things like that. She does have a ring that's a heart ring. So that's cute. Her socks are not socks, they're leg warmers, which is okay. That's still very 80s. But let's see, is her skirt separate? Yes, her skirt is separate. So that's good. Her skirt is separate, her top is separate. So that's exciting. We are going to put her on her stand real quick, so we can look at the rest of her stuff that she's got. So I'm going to do a quick pull and get these all off at the same time. So here's her book. It doesn't open. It's a solid brick. It does have a decent amount of molding on it, and it's nice printing. then we've got our standard little certificate that we always get. They're very fun. And since I'm an out-of-the-box collector, most of the time I don't bother keeping these, especially if I'm taking the doll and customizing it in any way, which if it's in my collection, it's most likely getting customized. So here is our backpack. It's shaped like a heart. It is just open, so you can stick the smaller things in there. It does actually unhook the actual like little straps, so you don't have to struggle it over the doll's arms, which is kind of surprising. Oh, I lost the pencil. It flew away from me. So, decent pencil mold. Always fun. Into the backpack it goes. And then, pretty decent protractor. I think that would actually be a functioning protractor if there were numbers on it. So that's fun. And then let's take a look at our computer. Barbie. We girls can do anything. Barbie. And it's very cute. But the only thing that I'm just now noticing is that on our box art, her earrings are blue, and on our doll, they're purple. I wonder if that was a last-minute change after everything had already been printed, or why they decided to go that route instead. Because it's just a little funny that you can't put the box art on there. So, I don't know. It's bizarre. And the earrings themselves are actually different, because there's little pizzas on these earrings, if you guys can see that, compared to just triangles for the other ones. Then we can put our cute little glasses on there. I don't love the way Barbie handles glasses, because you have to treat them more like hairbands, kinda. Because they don't really stay on the doll, and they don't go around the ears. Like, look at that. That's way molded down. So I've gotta. I think that'll lay a little bit better now. It's okay. I wasn't gonna keep those glasses on her anyway, but she looks cute. So our next question is, which skin tone is she gonna be a match for? Because looking at her, I think she's gonna be our standard tone, but she might actually be the blue top made to move Amazon doll. Or she might be the purple top. Okay, so here's the blue top. No, she's tanner. So that's not gonna work. Let's look at wheelchair Barbie. So wheelchair Barbie? Close, but not close enough. We'll keep that as a fun little option. Let's see. What do we think? Alex Morgan, maybe? She's still a little tan. We might wind up having to use the purple top made to move. which is okay. I have more of those than I have of Alex Morgan, at least. But let's see. So, we've got Purple Top Made to Move. She's a little more yellow. She's not going to be Akira, I don't think. Let's see. I mean, she could be Akira. No, she's not Akira. So I guess she's going to be somewhere between Alex Morgan and the Purple Top Made to Move. I don't have any other dolls that are going to be in that skin tone range, which kind of sucks. But, oh, actually, hold on, I may have misspoken. She might be the Petite Looks doll. Hold on. Oh, it looks good over here. Does it look good on camera? I think she's gonna be Petite doll. That's exciting. I've been wondering who was gonna get this body, and I think it's gonna be her. I almost forgot I had some more of her. I think that is my last of the Petite dolls, which means I will be out of luck unless the next series of Looks dolls releases another Petite that's in the skin tone, or I find some more. But for now, we are going to get this body ready. I do it off camera now because it makes people nervous the way I do it. Always double check that your head is soft. And then you can remove it easily. And we're going to do the same with our little vintage girly. We're actually going to take her earrings out and take her glasses off so we don't damage those when we squeeze the head. But she's got a nice soft head. And we've taken it off. And she's not an end-of-the-world articulated doll. Like, if pushed, I could have kept her on her body. But that's a perfect match, I think. Or it's pretty close to perfect. Let me show you guys what it looks like in different lights. So that's her in a warm light, a cool light, and natural light. So she looks pretty good. And her accessories, like her shoes and things, will still fit her on this body, which is great. I'll show you guys how I would swap her up. I'm not going to keep her in this outfit. But at some point, she will get a new look that is inspired by today's fashions. So, I have to unwrap her legs now because they were wrapped up to keep them safe. But thankfully, Petite and original body are not super far off of each other when it comes to skirts and things. It's just more of a matter of height, really. Like her shirt fits the same. Okay, like that. And we give her a little like this. Oh, she does have the little underwear under there. So that's fun. Okay. And because we want to make that shirt appear as tight as it was on her original body, we're going to layer over like that, and take her shoes and things, which are flat-footed, but she actually does not have a flat foot because she's got these feet compared to our nice articulated ankles that we get on our made-to-move dolls, which is the reason behind why I rebody things. I would prefer to have all the articulation to wear whatever shoes I want, because Barbie makes some cute shoes, and sometimes dolls that have heeled feet can't really wear them as well as the dolls that have flat feet. And actually these are designed to be worn with heels. I was thinking they were going to be flat foot, but they're not. Even when you put the foot down, it's designed to be a flat-footed, because that's pushing the feet up, not at a straight angle. But that's okay. It's still cute. And then we just put our doll back on her stand. And look how much she grew. So we just put her back down like that. And she looks cute. But now, she's fully made to move, which is great. So, unfortunately, there's not a lot of tones for this doll. There are I think there's maybe one other doll that's in this tone, unfortunately, that's got that that pinkish body that's a fully made to move, but not very many. And again, like I said, that was a Series 1 looks doll. So, if you guys have questions on her, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed it, leave me a like. And as always, follow along for some more fun unboxings. Bye, y'all. Be good.